Before Mwen se kounya la yap travay. Mba konen pou ki rezon ou pa, men fòm sorti la, fòm kre yon passage quand même. Nap retire derrière. Déjà, pas de espace pour même mettre neige. Kounya mbral comble. I don't know what the fuck is going on, man. Honestly, I don't have the answer. Because my shovel's all broken. But I'm gonna find a way though. I will find a way. I have to find a way. My butt was all covered, but it's I'm coming out. I will come out. I have to come out. Now I gotta stop talking and see what I'm doing right now. I'm using this piece of the shovel, which is broken. It's all broken in two. But I'm using this to build blocks and just throw them over there. I got stuck a couple times, man. Like, hey, man, I'm getting shit done. I have to get it done. I have to get my ass out of there. Clear out the driveway. That's probably my biggest fear right there, laying ahead. But we are getting out.